As Diwali lights up homes across India, Aligarh stands as a shining example of unity in diversity. Here, Muslims alongside Hindus passionately craft idols of Goddess Lakshmi, Lord Ganesh, and Saraswati, showcasing how faith and artistry unite in harmony. In these workshops, both communities work together, sharing the festive spirit and mutual respect. The season brings prosperity and purpose, reflecting how Diwali in Aligarh beautifully embodies brotherhood, inclusivity, and the enduring bond between communities.
Streets across India light up with earthen lamps and decorative lights as people celebrate Diwali, the festival of lights, marking the triumph of good over evil. Observed on the full moon day of the Kartik month in the Hindu calendar, this 5-day festival is joyfully celebrated by people of diverse faiths. People dressed in traditional, like every year, prayed to Hindu deities Lakshmi, Ganesh and Saraswati, which later followed by exchanging gifts with friends and family and bursting firecrackers.
Diwali is known as the festival of lights. On this occasion, kindly spread your light with everyone. Also, spread your happiness with everyone. It is all about sharing and caring.
हम लोग बहुत खुशी से मना रहे हैं. सभी लोग जो है, सभी धर्म के लोग जो है मौजूद हैं और बच्चों को तो बहुत मजा आ रहा है आतिशबाजी का, जबकि सब लोग रोक भी रहे हैं. बहुत कम करने की करी जा रही है, मगर सब जो है अपनी खुशी के आगे जो है पूरी तरीके से सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं और अच्छा ही लगता है. ये पर्व तो बहुत अच्छा है और सब लोग जो है एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, तो उसमें हम लोग भी सब लोग एंजॉय कर रहे हैं इसमें.
Beyond the festive fervor, the festival also brings communities together under one umbrella, binding them together in the thread of harmony and brotherhood. Aligarh in Uttar Pradesh stands as a shining example of interfaith camaraderie where Hindus and Muslims come together to create idols of Hindu deities such as Lakshmi, Ganesh and Saraswati during the Diwali season. The artisans were seen meticulously crafting artifacts around the clock to meet the surge in demand for Hindu idols, reflecting not only their dedication to their craft but also their deep respect for all religions.
हम वेल्डिंग का काम करते हैं, मूर्ति बनाते हैं लक्ष्मी गणेश की. दीपावली का सीजन चल रहा है और खूब अच्छा खासा काम चल रहा है. हमारा मुस्लिम समाज खूब बना रहा है. हमारी रूढ़ी चलती है, इससे हमारा घर परिवार बढ़ता है. कोई ज़्यादा भाईचारा हम हिंदू मुसलमान में दोनों भाईचारा.
As diyas glow marking Lord Ram's return to Ayodhya, Diwali reminds us that light triumphs over darkness and unity shines brightest when all communities celebrate together in peace and harmony.